Just wanna see the light.
Hello, welcome to section 2 on game development course using Unity3d. I am really getting excited to play with C# code. In this video, we are going to print out some of the most simple statement on console using debug.log. Let's move on and get started. Let us start by creating a new project on Unity as we did previously. On section 2, we are going to develop a simple console based game like guess a number. So I'll give my project name guess a number. In this section, we will not deal with any 3D object, so I'll choose project template as 2D and now click on create project. Now wait till Unity is fully loaded. Till then, let's have a look around our game flow. In this game, we will ask a player to think a number between minimum and maximum, and our guess will be minimum plus maximum by 2. Now we ask the player that if player number is lower or higher or is correct. If it is correct, then we start it again by providing a different range, and if the guess is lower or higher, then we guess again and the process will be repeated. Now let's jump back over into Unity. Here you can see our default layouts, and if yours is different, then you can always change it from here by selecting default. In this video, we will do lots of stuff in console, so I will recommend to change the default location of console from button to the side of the inspector so we can see the changes we have made. Now click on console and drag right over here. Now the next step is to create a C# script as we have done already. On assets, right click, create a C# script. Now before doing anything else, we will rename script to guess a number where G, A and N are capital. Now hit enter and double click to open code editor on Visual Studio. I will increase my zoom level up to 160% by pressing Ctrl and scrolling wheel on mouse so that it got easy to see what I am going to do. Here Unity puts lots of information that we need to start for coding, but at this time we only focus on the start method. We write our whole statement inside start. Now our first statement will be debug.log. Then inside parenthesis bracket we have double quote, welcome to guess a number. Don't forget to put semicolon at the end of the statement. Now save the script and close Visual Studio. Now the next step is to attach the C# script to game object as we did previously. So here is the main camera, and I can drag my C# script to main camera, or alternatively I can select the main camera and at the inspector panel drag the C# script over into inspector. You can now see our script is attached to main camera. Now click on play and see on console, there we can see our greetings. Welcome to guess a number. Now again jump back into Visual Studio by double clicking on our script. And we write our remaining code. Now we can see our progress and be proud of it, be proud of what you have done till now. Finally, we have finished writing our code. Now save the script and close Visual Studio. we have already attached our script to game object. So now we can click on play to see the changes on console, and that's it. How did you guys get on? If you have any difficulties or suggestions, then comment below. See you guys in the next lecture.